Hello, good evening, everyone. Okay, welcome back. Okay, so click a like and also share this video lah. Hello, 左先生. Okay, Intact OCK, no problem. Hello, Jordan. Okay, HSI. Okay, HSI chances big from HSI going down to 2500 or lower this month. Okay, later we review 9988. 857. Okay, HK. Okay, like and share. Okay, hello, Roger. Yo, right? Review hibiscus, MNRB, Pentec, support and resistance. Okay, level and general trend. Okay, no problem. Okay, let me reconfirm on the sound. Okay, should be alright. Okay, so yeah, please help me to click like and also share lah. Okay, so before that we will go through the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMKLCI. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you're looking for support or resistance lah. Okay, and click a like also lah, so we can get more viewers and the algorithm maybe can push the video up further. Okay, and disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or others for education purposes. Okay, so let's warm up first. Okay, let's see how is the overall market looking. Okay, so yeah, as we can see weekly daily point of view lah. Okay, now we back to the daily point of view. Okay, for Dow Jones, actually on last Friday, actually they closed very bearish. Okay, due to the tariff lah. Okay, actually the tariff is on today. Okay, so I think later on lah, especially maybe maybe US market second half lah, should be lah. Okay, so what we can see on Monday and Tuesday actually market is rebounded. Okay, so far futures is doing badly lah. Okay, for now futures is red. Okay, so we wait for the US market to open, which still got 1 hour, and also wait for the Donald Trump come up to to wayang lah. Okay, wait for him to wayang and we see how it's going. Okay, for me market already priced in for the worst case, and if it is within the expectation, should be okay, market may rebound. But if it is worse than the expectation, I think market may drop further. So take note on the crucial level for Dow Jones, 41400. Okay, this is a crucial support level for Dow Jones. Okay, if tomorrow morning we wake up and we see they break below, then memang very ugly. Okay, and for the crucial resistance is 42200. Okay, pending for them to break. Either way, break up, good lah. Okay, market may rally up a little bit more, but if they break down, no good lah. We may see more downside, and I expect tonight market may swing both side lah. Okay, this is what I think. Okay, how about the Nasdaq? Okay, Nasdaq also not so good lah. Okay, Nasdaq already resisted by the 200 MA, gonna wash down last. Okay, for Monday they do have a hammer like candle. Tuesday continue to rise up a little bit, but at the moment the futures market not so good. Okay, close at the moment is in red lah, as you can see. Okay, market is red now, but we still got 1 hour lah. Now only is a Euro session. Okay, so and how about the S&P 500? Okay, as well, same as well. Okay, they rebounded on Monday, Tuesday as well, but now they macam kena some resistance. Okay, so far we can see the market sentiment for US side is still in the bear mood. Okay, so maybe tomorrow wake up you see low. Okay, if close bearish, okay, negative 300 points, 400 points, 500 points, no good for them lah. Okay, but if they close slightly bearish, maybe negative 200 points or positive, then will be good for the overall market sentiment. Okay, so let's see. Next one is oil price. Okay, oil price they have been supported and bounced up. Okay, as I mentioned before, $65 and $67 WTI is their crucial support, and they do bounce off. Okay, at the moment they do have some resisted at $72, but overall I see the oil price they are still in a rebounding mode. As long as they are above 69, I think oil still got chance to rally up further a bit. Okay, but yeah, they may get resisted by maybe the 200 MAs which is somewhere around 7250. Okay, and how about the gold price? Okay, gold price continue to rise up lah. Okay, we still yet to see any sign of weakening for the gold price. So at the moment, I will put at the 3080 lah, 3080. So long the price above 3080, they are still very bullish. Okay, for the gold price. And how about the Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin, they do have a little bit bounce up. And yesterday closing considered not too bad. They break above 84.5k. So seems like, okay, even though the 20 already crossed below 200 lah. So we see lah, any support at the, maybe I will put as 84k. Okay, stay above 84k, maybe still alright for the crypto market. Maybe got chance to make a comeback lah. On the other hand, if they close below 84k, then continue sideways or continue bearish. Okay, and Ethereum still weak. Okay, still very weak. Okay, even the bounce out also attract more sell down. So maybe for crypto market I think they are still pending for the, how to say pending for the Bitcoin to make a big move lah. And how about back to our FBMK LCI? Okay, we do able to escape today's bad market sentiment lah. Okay, so we close on the Friday, close bearish, and Monday, Tuesday is a holiday. And today market seems okay because on Monday, Tuesday, the US market closing was okay. Okay, not too bad. So at the moment today more on neutral note lah. So I think our side also 50-50. They are also pending for tonight's US market. Okay, if tonight US market close bearish, I think they will come down lah. Okay, but if they close neutral or slightly bullish, I think they do have chance to challenge 1530, 1540. So at the moment, I will say, we quite depending on the US market sentiment. And how about the HSI? Okay, Hang Seng Index. Okay, Hang Seng Index, they have been down since 20th of March until now. So it's like more than 2 weeks like that already lah. So what I can see is they already broken down below the 20 MAs, right? So at the moment, they are more into sideways. As you can see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they also in the neutral note. Okay, not really going anywhere. Okay, quite boring lah, okay, in my opinion. So at the moment, 22500, okay, is one of my, okay, 22500 is still my crucial support. Okay, so let me see what is your question. Chances big from, okay, go down to 250. I think they still have chance to go there, somewhere around there. But at least we can see from these few days sell down, the selling pressure started to go slower. Okay, so I think moving forward, they might just wandering around here. Okay, maybe they might wandering around 23k to 22500. Okay, so long stay above, I think it's still good. Okay, so maybe I will give them a range lah. Okay, best case scenario above 23k to 300 lah. Okay, then if bonus if they go to 22500, maybe it's a bonus. But if they break below 22500, then memang tak begitu cantik already lah. Okay, so yeah. Just in conjunction with the 50 MA lah. So we see how it's going. So let's go for our stocks Q&A. Okay, let me see. Pertama, bought 105, sell 120. Can reach price. Okay, later we review. Okay, hello, Siu Wachin. Okay, good evening. Okay, Lim KL Lim. Okay, Magna Cellcom, no problem. Dialogue and Enfra from Ray Tan. Okay, no problem. Okay, so yeah, we see enough audience or not? 14, 12. Okay, not many. Okay, so need your help lah. Share around and like around lah. Okay, share to your group chat lah, or maybe family group chat okay, Telegram what also can lah. Okay, let's see. Intech. Okay, Intech, the rebound seems like over already. Okay, so on the bigger trend point of view, what we can see, okay, Intech last year 2024, they do have a good time. Okay, but after July, like maybe August onwards lah, okay, they started to sell down and go sideways. Okay, so here was the first signal lah, okay, when they first break below 200 MAs. Okay, and they recovered, but not able to sustain. Okay, not able to stay above 60 cents. So continue to sell down lah. So far what we can see is Intech is in downtrending. Okay, so let's zoom in. Okay, what we can see on Thursday and Friday, they do have volumes. Okay, suddenly the volume is better than the past few days lah, consider. Okay, so what happened today? Should be some good news lah, right? Based on what I see here. So today they do have a pump up to 550, but what we can see by end of day, they gonna press all the way down to 505. So means maybe people who bought on Thursday or Friday, they know something we don't know. Okay, then on today, okay, Wednesday, somebody maybe pushed by the news or whatever lah, right? Then they take profit lah. Okay, this is what I suspect lah. So at the moment, I would say the closing wasn't that great. Okay, so if you still want to put hope on them, take note on 490. Okay, if they close below 490, memang tak cantik. But if the next few days, okay, they are still able to sustain above 490, maybe still ada chance to go up back. Okay, but based on the candle itself, I think a bit susah lah. Okay, how about the OCK? Okay, OCK on the other hand, seems like they test the bottom 380. So if you look back, actually OCK also in a downtrend now, right? Okay, similar story also from 2024, rally up. Okay, until July, August onwards, sell down. This one never come back. Once they break below 200 MAs, never come back. Sideways and continue downtrend. So we can see since last year August like that lah. Sell, sideways, sell, sideways, sell. Okay, means they have been bear for so many months lah. Okay, now where where they go? Okay, so if we draw the lines around here, so we can see actually they are going back here 360, 375. Okay, this is where they go sideways back in 2022, 2023. Okay, so you can see they have been sideways here for couple of years lah for me. Okay, maybe sideways for about 2 years like that. Okay, now they back to here. So for this case, maybe if they are able to sustain above 360, should be alright. Okay, let's look into recent performance. 11 of March over onwards. So we can see actually they do have volume improve over here. So I think they are still trying to defend or trying to do a bottoming somewhere around here lah. Okay, even though today is a bullish candle, but the volume for me is just so only lah. So only. So if you want to bet on the potential bottoming, okay, for me the trend is still bearish lah. Momentum is still bearish lah. But if you want to bet on the potential bottoming, okay, make sure the price can stay above 360 lah. Okay, above 360, maybe they were wandering around here for some times until something happened, then maybe they might make a comeback. Okay, or another way, okay, wait for the breakout. Okay, 430. Okay, they need to clear above 430. They baru ada chance to make a big move. Okay, otherwise they might just do sideways around here. Okay, so next one. Okay, if compare Intech and OCK, I think I will put some hope or maybe I will monitor on OCK more. Okay, this is what I think lah. Okay, so next one is okay, we go for the Hong Kong market a while in line 988. Still sideways lah. Okay, still sideways. You can see since end of December, end of February until now, actually Alibaba is just in the sideways. But overall, I will say, yeah, of course, we can see MACD point of view, they are already pointing down. This doesn't mean that they are no good, okay, just that indicate that tentatively the bullish momentum is not there. So they may need more times, okay, give them some time lah. So maybe wait for the MACD to like this crossover, then maybe they baru boleh jalan lah. So take some time lah. So at the moment, I think I expect lah Alibaba maybe go sideways lah. So maybe I will put the safety net at 122 now. Okay, above 122 I will say still okay, still strong. 122, 125. Okay, they are just going sideways only. If they break down, I think tak berapa cantik already lah. Okay, the chances of for them to break below 114 also high already. If they break below 122 lah. Okay, if they can sustain and continue sideways, I think they are still good. Okay, so give them some time. Okay, give them some time. Okay, 857. But we wouldn't know. Sometimes the policy change again. The market may crash down or crash up lah. Okay, how about the PetroChina? Okay, PetroChina short-term point of view, the momentum is there. Okay, at least the price are trying to break above the 200 MAs as well lah. So maybe I will put at 625 until 630. Okay, so at least the price is above 20, 50, 100 and 200 MAs. And at the moment, 20 MA cross 50, 20 MA cross 100 MA. So short-term momentum is still okay. And recently they have a breakout. So resistance and support, right? So as long as they are above 625, should be okay. Should be okay. But if they go below 625, the breakout sudah habis lah. They may continue sideways. Okay, so next one, review hibiscus. Okay, let's see. Okay, still in rebounding mode. I think previously when I review, I was very negative on them lah because they have been in very bad shape. Okay, and the first signal I would say is on 13th of March. Okay, I think I didn't review on this date, Thursday. Okay, first bullish candle with a slight higher volumes on 13th of March. So they rebounded up. Okay, 13, 14, 17 also okay. Okay, on 17 is also quite a good price action. Okay, when they recover back above 166. Okay, so after that they also continue to rise up, even though on last Wednesday they have a rejection, but still managed to recover on Thursday. Okay, and Wednesday. Okay, let me see. Thursday, yeah, neutral lah for me. These few days, still okay, but they are approaching the 200 MAs level. Okay, the rebound is quite strong, but they are approaching one of the resistance, which is somewhere around 2 ringgit, and also is a 200 MAs. So at the moment, I will put the support at the one. Maybe I put at the 180 lah. So take note on 180 as your support. Okay, stay above 180. Maybe the rebound is still alright, but if they break below 180, memang tak begitu cantik lah. Okay, so 180 support, 2 ringgit resistance. Okay, how about the MNRB? Okay, MNRB also in a rebounding mood. Okay, the first signal came on 20th of March. Okay, before that, yeah, they do have a bounce up here earlier, right? But don't have much volumes. So for me, it's not so convinced. Okay, until this date, they have a volume here lah. Okay, looks like better. Okay, here also ada volume. Today volume also improved sikit. Seems like they are trying to defend 2 ringgit this level. Okay, so maybe I put the support here at the 196. Okay, at the moment your support is a 2 ringgit and 196. Okay, if below 196, no good. Okay, and general trend, okay, yeah, just now I missed out. Okay, for the hibiscus, the trend is downtrend. Okay, for MNRB, same, downtrend. Okay, because they also break below 200 MAs already. Okay, now for me, it's short-term rebound. Okay, because they oversold and recently they have a short-term rebound. Okay, short-term rebound and the next resistance, 208, which was a previous support, turn resistant. And also, if lucky, okay, if the sentiment continue, next level 214. Okay, but if they break below 196, okay, the downtrend may continue. Okay, so general trend, yeah, Pentec. Okay, almost miss out this one. Pentec also downtrend lah. Okay, also below 200 MAs already. Okay, so yeah, they also uptrend last year. Okay, uptrend until last year August onwards. They turn weak already. Okay, the confirmation is on October when they break below 200 MAs and continue to down lah. Okay, at the moment, what we can see is a short-term point of view. They do have found a support at 690,710, and recently they have quite good volumes around here. So I guess they are trying to defend the 710 level lah. Okay, seems like they do have chance for rebounding. So maybe this one I can put in our watch list and we can monitor lah. Okay, so we can see your support 710, 690. Okay, if they go below 690, sorry, tak cantik already. And if happen, they can bounce up. Okay, due to this was a support, right? Turn resistance 785, 790. Okay, this is your first checkpoint. 785, 790. Okay, is your first resistance. If happen, they can clear above. Okay, maybe we can see up further low. 870. Okay, would be your R2. Okay, so this one, okay, if compared out of these three, I think Pentax looks okay. Watchable lah. Okay, watchable. Okay, but three of them also is a downtrend. Okay, now we only seeing on the rebounding mode. Hibiscus already rebound until almost hit resistance already lah. Okay, and Pentax, I think they are still testing the bottom, and they do have the potential lah. Okay, based on what I see on the structure, so long don't break below 690. Okay, break 690. Sorry lah, no game ready. Okay, indicate S1, S2, R1, R2 for US stocks. Okay, Google first. Okay, let's see Google Nasdaq. Oh, very bad lately. Okay, break 200 MAs. Okay, break 160. So 160 turn into resistance support turn resistance. So 160 is R1, 175 R2. So at least we know where's a R1, R2. So how about the support? Okay, support, if happen they can dive down further, take note on 150 would be your immediate support. Okay, here they have a gap back in March last year. Okay, 1 year anniversary. Wow, easy to remember. 150, 140 is your S1, S2. Okay, to be exact is a 141.7 lah. But if you want easier to remember, 150, 140 will be your S1, S2. Okay, so how about QQQI? This one also weak a bit. Okay, actually market for USI yeah, by this week we need to see some turning point lah. If not we may experience further sell down. Okay, 48, 48 and 4850 would be your resistance. And where's your support? 4650 can 4650 lah. Okay, for me it's not really in a good shape. Okay, unless they can go back above 49. Okay, go back above 49, then will be better for this QQQI lah. Otherwise, I would say they are still in a downtrend. Okay, started to turn into downtrend. And 4650 is a crucial support. If they break down, we may see more downside. Maybe 4450. Okay, 4450 would be your S2. Okay, QQQM. Oh, I memang don't know what is what lah. I know QQQ but I don't know why it got QQQI, QQQM. Okay, this one also weak. Okay, they already break 200 MAs, retest fear. So we can see 202 is your R2. Okay, current price is your R1, 194, 194.6. Okay, and your next support is a 184 and 174. Okay, I need to put here so I can remember. 184, 174, S1, S2 if market continue to drop. Okay, how about the EL Rich? Okay, quite a new counters, right? Back in August. So less than a year lah. Okay, so far I would say the overall structure they are building is still alright. Okay, I don't know what they want to do, but at least you can see since first day, they build up, wash down, sideways, build up, wash down, sideways, build up, sideways. So you can see the overall structure is still strong lah. Okay, still strong. So I will say so long these counters okay, the price is above 445 should be alright. Okay, they are like building a building lah. Okay, they are like building a high-rise building lah. Okay, so long they are above 445 should be okay. And the next mission for them is to clear 480. Once they can break and close above 480, would be good for them lah. They do have chance to go to next level. So based on the chart, you can see this is like a ladder lah. Level 1, they go rest. Level 2, they go rest. Okay, level 3, they're like a bit struggle to go out further. Okay, so if happen, they can break above 480 and go sideways like that. Maybe they will go step by step. Okay, and based on here, you can see the duration, the sideways, they need more times. Okay, so yeah, so long above 440, this structure is still okay. But if they break below, yeah, collapse lah. Okay. Okay, how about the LW Sabah? Okay, it's quite a new counters as well. November. Okay, so this one I would say they are sideways lah, still sideways. See nothing yet. Okay, so you can see since day one they pump out, wash down, test bottom 795, pump again, kena wash down again, now retest 795. So if we base on the duration like November until now, okay, this counter just in sideways lah. Okay, let's zoom in and see anything. No volumes. Okay, not much volumes. So I expect they might just continue sideways until something. Yeah, you need more. How to say we need more investor or big fund to notice these counters. They only have volumes. Otherwise you see not much volumes. Okay, or maybe you can say someone is slowly accumulate. Okay, usually they will take more times lah. Okay, so at the moment I would say so long they are above 795 should be alright. Okay, the sideways is still valid. Tapi if they close below then tak begitu cantik ready lah. Okay, how about the MK Hope? Okay, also quite a new counters. Almost 1 year anniversary April until now. So yeah, this one is more on sideways as well. But at least they show some trend Okay, first day, right? So they do have some sell down. After that, they break above 60 cents, rally up, gonna wash down, go sideways. So I will say at least they are still going up. Okay, the structure is still strong. Okay, still okay. So let's see where's the support. 625 low. Okay, so you can see this is sell down. This is a uptrend. Okay, like you hiking lah, hiking go up, then you need come down a bit, go take some rest. Okay, if they break down, sorry lah, sudah habis lah the trend. Tapi if they able to sideways as long as possible, stay above 625, stay above 60 cents, I think they still got chance to make a comeback. Okay, just matter of time lah. Okay, since 2025 beginning of this year until now now already April, they are still in the sideways. Okay, still resting lah. Okay, at least our market sentiment so bad they still managed to go sideways. Okay, at least it's a bright side lah. Okay, hello Yauna Oma. Okay, review on Almas. Okay, Almas still alright. Okay, at least they are still in the uptrend. Okay, since 2023 August September onwards uptrend until today. Okay, just that they are now more into the sideways movement lah. So they test bottom on March, bounce up recently, sideways. So this one, at least we can see the structure is still in the upside. Okay, still alright. Tenor on 755. Okay, above still alright. Okay, but yeah, boring lah. You can see these few days they are just going sideways, and also understandable lah. Market not so good. Somehow we have a long weekend. Okay, market no move also is a norm for them lah. Okay, so I think it's still alright so long they are above 755. the structure is still favored to the bull, and most importantly, okay, this counter is still above 200 MAs, so can, yeah, still alright lah, still alright. Okay, how about the MSM? How is it going? Okay, I also wonder. Okay, wanna. Okay. This one a bit disappointed lah. Okay, a bit disappointed. Okay, previously they do have a breakout already. Tapi not managed to go through 15159. Okay, now they back to the sideways zone. Okay, now you can see since last year September, they has been sideways around here. Okay, pump out a bit, or maybe too many selling pressure lah. Right, they go back down, continue sideways. So based on the trend, they are bearish. Okay, they are weak. Okay, and if look at the last chances, is a 108, 105 level lah. Cannot break down lah. Once break, we may see more downside. Okay, stay above, then okay lah. Okay, maybe sideways is one of the good news for them already. Okay, can go sideways is good news already. Okay, for them to make a comeback, minimum they need to clear 130 and above, baru boleh jalan lah. Okay, pertama, for me these counters I wouldn't touch at all lah. Okay, so okay, but if you bought already, okay, just follow the game plan. Okay, for me the pump and dump should be over already. Okay, they pump on this due date, right? And this date should be a sell already. Okay, they sold at 20 cents. Okay, you can see on this date the volume also quite high ma. Okay, and 150 is here, not able to sustain. Watch down. Today they break 110, closing 10 cent. So for me is tak begitu cantik already, but yeah, due to 10 cent is also is a psychology level, right? So you make sure the closing price is above 10 cent, then should be okay. But if they close below 10 cent, I think tak begitu cantik lah. Maybe you see sometimes they will, due to they sell down so much already. Okay, a lot of people lose money over here. Okay, and they think already. Hey, you see the price 0.045 Okay, imagine they got it at around maybe 6 cents Okay, let's see. Imagine they collect maybe the average price around this they push all the way up to 20 cents. They already make around 200% lah. Okay, still don't want cabut lah. I think they also cabut already lah. Okay, maybe they want to reduce their losses. Maybe they bought a lot at here, so they here average down, push the price up. Okay, maybe they break even or make a little bit or reduce their losses, then continue to dump down lah. So for me, it's not so good already. Especially the stocks you see they last time they have a very good upside and suddenly sell down so fast one Okay, sometimes they will attract some short-term rebound, but the rebound usually is made by those who bought at very high price, and they try to reduce their losses. Okay, by average down from here. Then once got the pump out, they want to reduce their losses already. So for me, even they can pump out, also will attract a lot of people want to break even or cut the losses. Okay, so for me, yeah, you turn on 10 cent. If they break and close below, maybe not so nice lah. Okay, for me, not worth to take the risk to trade it. Okay, for me, not worth at all. Okay, but if your plan is to sell at 120, yeah, you can try to wait there lah. Okay, so long the price above 10 cent. Okay. How about the MAG? MAGMA. Okay, MAGMA also in the sideways mood lah. Okay, based on the overall structure point of view, you can see since when last year, already sideways about 1 year already. Right, the sideways. Okay, so they whenever they hit 20 cents, they might go up to 255, 250. So now they already at the resistance. Okay, so yep, buy support, sell resistance, just like that. Okay, how about the Cellcon? Okay, Cellcon, what we can see on 25th of March, they do have a breakout. Okay, they break out above 310, 315, and another rise up on Wednesday. Okay, 26th of March, and then they hit 350. So what we can see was a resistance. Okay, so not able to sustain. Okay, not able to stay above 350. Do they come back down? So I expect they might come back to retest the support here lah. Okay, so yeah, tenor on 315, and maybe I will put at a 320 lah. Okay, 315, 320 as the support. Okay, if they can stay above. Okay, because they already break out, right? So they hit the resistance. Okay, they need to respect lah. Take a rest. If they are able to sideways and stay above 315, should be alright. Okay, still got chance to go up lah. Okay, but if they go below 315, I think the pump dump sudah over lah. The breakout sudah fail lah. Okay, how about the dialogue? Okay, dialogue is still weak. Okay, what we can see, they have a gap down on 14th of February lah. Okay, then they do bounce up a bit and continue sell down. Okay, so on 12th of March or 13th of March, they do started to bounce up a bit. So now what I can say is selling pressure started to ease off. Okay, the selling pressure started to slow down, but doesn't mean that they will make a comeback yet lah until 155. Okay, they need to clear above 155 because this is one of resistance. Okay, at the moment, one of the good news is they are above 20 MA lah. Okay, so yeah, pending for them to break above 155, stay above 155 would be good for them. Okay, then maybe got chance to fill the gap, maybe 178. Okay, but on the other hand, if they go below the 20 MA, which is somewhere around 150, then not so strong lah. Okay, not so strong. But based on what I see, the chances of rebounding is there. Okay, so long don't break below 150 lah. Okay, how about the EMFLA, right? Okay, let me see the US market 696. Okay, still okay. Okay, so EMFLA also not so good. Okay, now they are struggling at here. 2022 October. Okay, 465, 460. Okay, back in 2022, they do test the bottom here and bounce up. Now they are at the bottom, okay, of 2022, but they yet to bounce up lah. Okay, either bounce or break. Okay, so tenor on the 460 level. If they close below, then means they give out to defend this level already lah. Okay, if they can get supported, maybe they do have some short-term rebound. Okay, because overall they are still in the downtrending mode lah. Okay, how about the Tofu? Tofu mini hammer spotted. Okay, but they are still bearish lah. Tofu is below 200 MA punya counters. Okay, downtrending lah. So they found a bottom on 11th of March. Okay, 1 ringgit. High volume on this date. Okay, bounce up, not able to go up further. Okay, macam struggle, sell down a bit. Today closing, I would say today's closing is still alright, not too bad. Okay, so for Tofu, maybe I will give them a chance for the potential bottoming. Okay, means cannot break below 1 ringgit lah. Okay, because last time they do defend this level, and you can see the volumes here. Okay, if they come back down and get supported, stay above 1 ringgit, maybe this is a potential bottoming. But if they close below 1 ringgit, sorry lah. Next level is 895 already. Okay, how about the UOA? But overall, they are still weak lah. Okay, UOA is still in the downtrend lah. Okay, they already break below 200 MAs lah, right? So they tested 170, which was here, and bounce up a bit. Now continue to sell down. So for me, overall UOA is still weak. Okay, it's still weak. I will say, okay, for me, I will rather try on the Doufu lah. I will say Doufu still got a little bit hope. Okay, still got a bit hope. And so long above 1 ringgit should be alright. But UOA, I think I will take KFV first lah. Okay. No immediate opportunity yet. Okay, how about the what? CBH Engineering. Okay, since day one, okay, pump out for few days only, then they sell down. When was that? 11th of March, they found a bottom at 255. Okay, now it's a sideways mode. Okay, so tentatively, this CBHB. So based on the trend, what I can see here, okay, they pump out on the first few days, then they sell down. Okay, now they found a bottom at 255. They pump up. They create a new bottom at 275. So we can see the S1 here, S2 is here, and recently they do a sideways around here. So so long discounters as long as they are above 275, I think short-term momentum should be okay, and they need to clear 295. Okay, if they are able to clear 295, I think they do have chance to have some movement lah. Okay, otherwise susah for them lah. Okay, let me zoom in and see but the volume not so much lah. Okay, not so much. Okay, the only thing I can see is they do trying to defend the price 275. Okay, but don't have much volumes lah. So maybe continue sideways. Okay, above 275, I would say they still got hope lah. Okay, so Celcon we covered already. We go for the pack gas. Pack gas today open gap down and close higher. Macam still okay. Okay, at least we can see the pack gas. The crucial support is a 1650. Okay, 1650. Okay, so if you're still interested, but this one unique. Okay, maybe I will put at 1670 with my cut loss at 1640. Okay, if they go below 1650, I think they do have more downside lah, maybe to 1570 or 1600. Okay, how about Bursa? Okay, Bursa recently found a bottom at the 750 and bounce up. So currently they are above 20 MA lah. Okay, means the short-term momentum boleh tahan. Okay, boleh tahan. So yeah, this one today closing a 796, volume boleh tahan only lah. Okay, so this one as long as they are above 770 should be alright. Okay, maybe you can see 78 something like that lah. Okay, 77 something, 78 something should be okay. As long as they don't break below 770, short term should be alright. Okay, so Sedanai game over. Still above 110, I think it's still okay. Okay, below 110, game over lah. Okay, Papi Bank Papi Bank, they hit resistance 457, 455. They come down. Now it's still okay lah. Okay, trend point of view, I would say Papi Bank is still okay. Okay, just you know lah, boring a bit only low. Okay, tapi okay lah. Overall, they are still above 200 MAs. Okay, so I would say the crucial support is a 430. Okay, your immediate one is a 435. Okay, this two level can KIV lah as your S1, S2. Okay, TTVHB. Okay, this one, yeah, as I mentioned before, they already, for me, those who do a rebound trade one, they already hit your TP already. Okay, but if you want to try for the second round, okay, now they are at one of the support zone, 690, and cannot break below 655. Okay, if they break below 655, then maybe the rebound is over. Okay, at the moment what we can see is one of the formation. Maybe they are creating a so-called flat or pennant pattern. Okay, or maybe the pattern like this. Okay, tapi if they break below, then maybe it's just a pump up and dump down. Okay, so below 655, no game, tak cantik. Above, still got a little bit hope lah. Okay, how about the Opstar? Opstar tak cantik already, Opstar, based on what I see here lah. Okay, Opstar seems like also a similar pattern. They also pump up. Okay, yesterday, I mean Friday is still okay because they are at 570, but today they break down already. So for me, tak begitu cantik already lah for the Opstar. So 530, for me not so cantik already lah. Okay, if compare, I would say TTV, HB, maybe they have a better chance. Okay, this one, if you really like it, cut loss below 530. Okay, memang yeah, quite depends lah. For me, not so strong lah. Okay, PP Jack. Okay, PP Jack, you can see since when since 2023 until now these counters sideways very boring Okay, but so far they didn't break below 935 lah. Okay, this is one of the good news for them. Okay, so today pump out a little bit more, volume pun boleh tahan. Okay, but you can see recently once they touch or overshoot 200 MAs, they may come back down immediately. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this time they shoot over more lah, then they come back down. Shoot over more, over a bit, then they come back down. So I would say average, maybe take note on your hard resistance, 1 ringgit. MBMR. Xian Ping Lim. Okay, let me see whether I can find this. MBMR review. Hey, they started to turn down trend already. Okay, for me, the trend for this overall, okay, longer term point of view, they are still in the upside. But recently, they started to have a turning point, okay, turn into downtrend. So you can see they already started to break below 200 MAs. Okay, need confirmation or not? Maybe I can put a confirmation. 530 can. Yeah, 530. Okay, what's the support here? So far, you can see recently they are trying to defend this level, but they do resisted here. Okay, so if happen, okay, they close below 530, I think they will have more sell down. Okay, maybe to 5 ringgit or even lower. Okay, but if they can get supported very well at 530, maybe they got chance to make a comeback. Okay, and how about the resistance? Okay, to take note, maybe I will put at 558. Okay, so pending to break up or break down, but based on current trend, the chances of breaking down is slightly higher. Okay, CapNet. Let me see. CapNet tak begitu cantik leh. The rebound is over. Okay, you can see the rebound hit here. Kena sell down already. Okay, by zooming in, you can see the volume. Okay, when they pump out, they do have volumes lah, but sell down nothing much. I think they might go back to maybe 305 like that continue sideways lah. Okay, nothing much interesting at the moment. Okay, how about the Kobe? Mala off Mr. DIY. Okay, let's see Kobe. Okay, also not much volume lah. Okay, so what we can see, Kobe, they do bounce up. Okay, now come back down. Okay, so for Kobe, not much volumes. Okay, but if you're still interested, okay, current price 123 with your cut loss below 120. Okay, if they close below 120, memang no hope already lah. Okay, now we put hope on the bounce up, retrace, sideways. Okay, tapi if they break below 120, the structure tak cantik already lah. Okay, they may come back down. But if they can stay above 120, maybe they got chance to make some movement. Okay. Hey, magma we covered already. Okay, magma. If not wrong lah, let me see again yeah, we covered already. Resistance to 255. Now at the resistance. Okay, mala off. Oh, memang boring recently the volume. I mean the market. Okay, mala off. Also a warning lah. Okay, also a warning that they are turning down. Okay, because they already break. Okay, this time you can see this time they test 200 MAs, bounce up, but second time they fail already. They break below 200 MAs and dive down. Okay, now they are putting hope on the 745, 765 to bounce up. So even today close is a bullish candle, right? But you can see today's volume is super low volumes. So not so convinced for me. So here is still a resistant to technolo. Let me put two lines. Maybe put here. Okay, techno on the R1, R2, 820, 840. Okay. For me, these two place is a place for you to maybe reduce your size or something like that. Okay. But the confirmation yet to happen. I would say this is just a warning. They already break down already lah. Not so nice already lah, right? So the warning, okay, the final signal is a 745. Okay, if they break below 745, memang tak cantik already. Okay, memang tak cantik already. Okay, now based on here, I think maybe they do have chance to test a 820 or 840 like that. Yeah, at the moment what I see lah. Okay, unless they can close above 840, maybe they got chance to make a comeback. Okay, how about the Mr. Incheck buat sendiri? Okay, rebounding mood. Yes lah, I think yes lah. Okay, zooming up, what we can see on the Mr. buat sendiri. Okay, so from here you can see back in 2023, right? Somewhere around July, they found a bottom here. 2024, they also found a bottom here. Okay, where is it? 133, 136. Okay, recently they also tested lah. Okay, they also do a stop hunt and they go down way lower and recover back. So seems like Mr. DIY found a potential bottom and yeah, potential rebound lah. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, the high volume sell down on 28th of February, right? Yeah, even though the next few days they do have a selling pressure, but still okay lah. They still manage to recover back. Okay, they are not because this big candle sell down, they continue to sell down. Okay, at least they are buyer trying to defend on this zone. Okay, recently they go back above 20 MA. Okay, today come back to retest. Okay, based on what I see here, yeah, same case. As long as they are above 133, maybe I will put 136 lah. Let me see. Yeah, okay. As long as they are above 136, should be alright. Okay, potential rebound. Yes, maybe. And where they need to clear 150, okay, which is a 50 MA. If happen, they can clear above 150 and get supported. We may see more upside on the Mr. DIY. Okay, just a rebound lah. Okay, due to they are still below 200 MAs. Okay, this one, I think moving forward, we can KIV. Okay, Mr. DIY. And how about the SFP tag? This one still tak begitu strong. Okay, still downtrending. Okay, hold on. The indicator yet to appear lah. Okay, for SFP tag they have been sell down for so long. Okay, now they seems like they found a bottom, but yet to show a sign of coming back. Okay, so I expect this SFP may sideways around here. Okay, as long as above 250, maybe still alright. Okay, to be safe, I would prefer. Okay, to be safe, I prefer to wait for them to break above 30 cents. Okay, break above 30 cents, stay above 30 cents. best come with volumes lah. Okay, then will be good for SFP for the potential bottoming. Okay, otherwise they may continue sideways. And okay, if they break below 250 if they break below 250 they may continue sell down. Okay, yeah, they will have more downside if they break below 250. Okay, just like what happened here lah. Oh, if they break below here, they break below 590 you can see they sell all the way down to 250. Okay, if 250 not able to hold and they may go to all the way down to 18 something or 17 something. Okay, so this one betting on the comeback lah. Okay, but best case scenario is wait for the breakout only. Okay, what? Carrido. Okay, sounds like the underwear name. Okay, don't know lah. Okay, so this one. Okay, still nothing lah. Okay, so they break below 195. Recent volume, not much. Okay, not much volumes. So I would say nothing much excited. Okay, continue sideways. This one nothing much to KIV. Nothing much to comment. Okay, I would say give them some times. This one is a December only. December. So now is a April only. So 1 quarter plus like that only lah. So I think they need some times lah. Okay. Kobe we covered already, right? Yeah. Okay. Kobe above 120 still got a little bit hope. Okay, below 120 no game lah. Okay, UEMS also tak begitu cantik. Okay, UEMS already broken down below 820 already. So what we are betting, okay, what we are betting on, potential rebound. Just okay, even the rebound only short-term rebound lah for me. Okay, above 730 maybe ada chance for some rebound. Tapi I would say don't take the risk lah. If they break below 730 next level is a 670 already. Cloud point rebound habis CloudPoint rebound macam habis already They already hit the 830. Currently selling down. Okay, not much volume lah lately. So I expect they may come back down to this green zone which is a 750 690 punya zone. Weak. Okay, weak. Okay, how about the LPI? Okay, this one is still okay. Still okay. Recently breakout 1410. Maybe you can use a 1400 as your support. Okay, still in an uptrend. I think not many people play these counters lah because on the price, but the trend is still alright. Okay, CMB also recently break below the 200 MAs, right? So at the moment they found a bottom at the 680 resistance 715. So they cannot sell down. Now going sideways. Okay, if happen, okay, they break below 680 you may see more downside. At the moment, they are turning weak already lah. Okay, they are turning weak already. So for them to make a comeback, okay, minimum they need to go back 750. Okay, minimum need to go back 750 and above. Only got chance to make a comeback Okay, SMRT. Also tak begitu cantik leh. They sudah break below 200 MAs. Okay, recently found a bottom at the 880 level and bounce up. Average volumes so only lah, so only. Today's okay, Friday is still ada volume, but today's sell down. So for me, tenor on 945. Okay, below 945, no good. KGB. It's still okay. Well, okay. Yeah, this one is at least KGB they did not break below 313, did not break below 3 ringgit, recover back 200 MAs, now recover back above 335. Okay, I think yeah, at least they made a comeback lah. Okay, so this one I will put the support at 325. Okay, so long the price above 325 should be alright for these KGB. Okay, how about the DMO? Tak begitu strong leh. Okay, one of the Maybe the only bright side is they are above 20 MA lah. Short-term momentum still ada sikit-sikit lah. Okay, so make sure the price above maybe 140 lah. Okay, above 140 still okay. Below 140 not okay. Okay, UUE 3 white soldier in hourly time frame. Okay, no problem. Let's see what happened. Okay, I see daily first. Okay, daily at least we can see last time they are trying to defend 620, 625. Okay, even though back in 11th of March they do break down lah, right? So after that they recover back above and get supported well. So what we can see, okay, this is just a daily chart first. So you can see this is a sell down, bounce up, okay, and supported. Okay, based on daily point of view, I would say okay lah, not too bad. Okay, and volume improve. Okay, especially today lah. Today volume pun slightly higher. It seems like these counters they are trying to defend. Maybe I put 615 lah, because recently they keep tested here as the bottom. MACD crossover. Okay, daily point of view, I would say yes, they do have potential to do a bottoming. Okay, as long as above 615. Okay, above 615 should be alright. Okay, let's go to the hourly. 3 white soldier, not too white, still okay. Okay, for me I not really like to see not really like know how to see the pattern but what I understand on the 3 white soldier supposedly to be like this lah. But usually when you notice a 3 white soldier the next few days they should have sell down lah. Okay, and go sideways, maybe continue go up. Okay, but doesn't matter. Okay, so at least the last 3 hours the closing was in a bullish candle lah. Okay, bullish note. Okay, okay lah. For Bursa, okay, daily point of view I would say is still good. Okay, daily point of view. So this one we can put in the watch list as well lah. So very good counters to spot. Okay, maybe we can monitor for the next few trading days. Okay, Celcon we covered already. So let me see. Okay, for me they already hit the resistance 350. So I expect they may come back down to test the support lah. Maybe somewhere around 320 like that. Okay, let's go for the AirAsia lah, capital A. AirAsia still weak lah. You can see they are still in the downtrending mode. Okay, recently what we can say is they found a small support at 780 like that lah. Okay, so I can say the selling pressure started to slow down. Okay, so maybe they might stabilize around 780. But this counter is still below 200 MAs lah, right? SIM Darby rebounding mood. Oh, this one Zun. Okay, let me extend the downtrend channel. Oh, you can see this one they really know how to draw the chart Okay, so you can see they hit here, almost hit here, almost hit here, right? Hit here. But overall they are still in a downtrend. Okay, now they are in a resistance nearby the resistance somewhere around 220. Okay, for them to make a comeback okay, usually they need to have a breakout sideways, they baru boleh make a comeback. Okay, tapi if they hit here lagi tak boleh breakout, they might come back down lah. Okay, so for me I prefer wait for a confirmation lah. Sapura, let me see long time no people see already this one. This one pure I would say pure speculation Okay, pure speculation Okay, recently they do have volumes come in lah. Okay, price is above all moving averages. Okay, technical point of view. Yes, volume ada, momentum ada. Okay, and the resistance 6 cents, 6 cents half, 6.5 cents. Okay, should be alright lah like that. Okay, but I would say pure speculation and high risk lah, high risk. Okay, for them to make a comeback, they need to break above 0.065. Okay, once they can break and go through 0.065, next level is we don't put 10 cent right? We put 0.095. Okay, in case everyone queue at 10 cent, wait at 0.095. Okay, but I would say, yeah, volume ada, momentum ada, risk pun ada lah. Okay, so you need to calculate your risk and reward and your size. Don't too greedy on them. Okay, how about the Sunview? Okay, Sunview also looks like okay, current price I think is a good support lah at the moment. Okay, so long they don't close below 385, should be okay. Okay, this one is a bet on the potential bottoming. Okay, what I can see on recent volumes around here, macam okay. Okay, cannot break below 385. Okay, below 385, not nice lah. Stay above, I think it's still alright. And if happen, they can bounce up. Okay, then 450, 465. Okay, IJM. Okay, sorry, wrong country. Go to the wrong country. Okay, go Malaysia. Okay, IJM, I have been mentioning the support is a 2 ringgit and 185, right? So recently they bounce up and the price is still above 2 ringgit. So take note on 2 ringgit, 185. Crucial support lah. Break down, they will have more downside. Stay above, maybe got chance to make a comeback. And they need to clear a 220 level lah. Once they can clear 220, should be alright. Okay, WCT. Let me see. WCT recently recovered back 635, recovered back 20 MA. I think it's still alright. Crossover lah. Okay, so for WCT, cannot break below 635. Stay above 365. Stay above 635 should be okay. But take note on the resistance 735, 765. Okay, last one, YTL. Bottoming, rebounding, bottoming. Okay lah, boleh lah. Volume not so much. Okay, for me, the selling pressure is already started to slow down. Okay, short-term rebound maybe boleh lah. Okay, maybe short-term there's some chance. Okay, as long as they are above 190, should be okay. And resistant to break, maybe 210. Okay, resistant to break 210. Once they can clear above 210, should be good. Next level 200 MAs already lah, 250. But do take note, this counter is below 200 MAs. That's all lah for this one. Okay, so at the moment what we can see is this one is a sell down, right? And they found a bottom, they bounce up, they go sideways. Okay, if they can clear above 210, yeah, we may see more upside lah. But if they go below 190, tak begitu cantik already lah. Okay, the momentum no longer there. Okay, so that's all for tonight. Okay, so if you yet to click a like, please help us lah. Click a like because I know recently the market sentiment is not so good, and now maybe most people is still in a holiday mood, so we have less volumes today. Okay, less viewers today lah. Okay, so lastly, I would like to thank Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store. And also they do have an interactive live chat. For those who need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. And if you yet to subscribe or join my Telegram, you may screenshot this QR code and later you click to join in lah. So I will share the watch list of the day lah. Okay, I think tonight I saw 3 quite potential case studies okay, for our practice. Okay, for the upcoming days. Okay, so yeah, if you're interested, you just join. Later, I will share the watch list and you play back the video. Okay, so that's all for tonight, and thank you everyone. See you next week. Thank you.